Hey guys, what a crazy day in the market. It's been very hectic being a trader, but I think you guys can get through these times if you play it correctly. So let's get into it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this content to help me out and help my channel grow. This is the very first one. What we're just going to be discussing today is the overall market. Um, Neo, Tesla, Lucid, and any solar stocks should be going up, and I think this is going to be a great play on these type of technologies because of the fact that oil prices are going high. The last time we saw this was around 2008, and that's when actually Tesla had a mass adoption in the EV and their EV vehicles. You saw that a lot of people decided to buy electric because gasoline prices were $5. So it was definitely gonna, it's definitely gonna hit people in their wallets, but I think they're gonna mitigate it with um, electric vehicles, and this now just makes it even more possible that Tesla and their cyber trucks, not the semi trucks, um, their actual semi trucks will be the ones to power and generate the next transportation industry because of the fact that uh, cost of these of semi trucks and the gasoline is just going to go to the skyrocket. And I think Amazon will be the first to really capture it and adopt most of their vehicles to be more electric. Also, Walmart has the capability to do so. And that's always a good way to look at, like, hey, okay, this might be a crash, but um, the stocks that I would definitely, or the stocks that I would put my money on is definitely on solar and electric vehicles. This will be your safe haven after this whole crash happens, or this downturn happens. These are going to be the stocks that will do really good near term and into the future, because I think Putin and Russia are trying to uh, just sell their last pieces of oil as much as they can for the highest price that they can. Um, if this holds true, then we know it as the end of oil. It's definitely the end of oil. Um, Overall, year after year, the oil production has been declining and the need for it. I mean, you could see in a place like China, BYD, Neo, Tesla are just selling, or Li Auto and XPEV are selling massive amounts of electric vehicles, and that's if China adopts it as much as they're doing right now, at the speed that they're doing right now, oil is going to be in a decline. Especially China, they are three times the size of the U.S. and in regards to population. And if that adoption just goes through the roof within the next couple of years, you are gonna see, like, either the price of oil will skyrocket because they're just going to try to get rid of it, which is basically what's happening right now, or it's going to go way down after that curve of EVs adoptions just reaches through the roof. Then no one's going to need really any gasoline in their cars, although electricity will be in need. But then you also have the solar panels that complement the EV vehicles. So you're going to see a mass adoption of solar and EV within the near future. I think within the next year or two, you're going to see it in US because they're going to get hit hard, or we are going to get hit hard. I'm from America, but we're going to get hit hard, especially with these oil wars that these countries are putting up. And I think America's part of it, especially Joe Biden's administration. He's definitely pushing for oil prices to get higher because he knows, and he's actually a solar guy. He's actually renewables energy. So by him promoting this war and not actually blocking um, the oil from the sanctions. Adding the oil to the sanctions just indicates how much they're tied in. They know that if people if oil prices start skyrocketing, then people are going to switch to EVs and renewable energy because that's the only safe haven for this whole entire market, and actually what will get us to a higher GDP. That's my take on this whole crazy madness that's going on right now. If you want to put your money where it's going to count in the near future after this settles over, and I think even as it's going down, because this is a big issue with just basically, I mean, down to its root is oil prices. It's going to cause um, uh, inflation to go higher. Consumer price index is going to tick it up. And so the only way to combat it, and not only the only way, but what will combat it will be electric vehicles, electric vehicle transportation, semi trucks that will transport our goods from the places that need it. Without gas, I mean, right now the truckers are on strike. That just exacerbates the issue. But I think get back to work, they'll see, of course, higher gas prices as they deliver. So therefore, the consumers are probably going to get hit with the expense, generated from higher energy costs. So that's really my take on the whole thing, and I think, like, again, I'm going to mention this. You should put your money into Tesla, Neo, Xpeng, Xpev, Li Auto. These Sunrun, Sun Power, solar companies, the main ones, charging infrastructure like ChargePoint, Blink. Those things are going to be, what we really need in the future. And what's going to help us from this whole oil, we won't be able to be held hostage with the oil. That's what Putin is doing. I think that's very childish, and actually, it's beneficial. It really is beneficial to the whole EV and renewable energy. So, thank you guys. I hope you liked the discussion on where to put your money during these rocky times. This is definitely going to be what will help you through the recession if we have it. Once it comes back, these industries are going to be roaring. And good luck to your trading. I'm not a financial advisor, but I would put my money there, and I am putting my money there right now. Um, Good luck to you guys. And let's get through these rainy days. Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you again so much, and we'll see you next time on the next episode. Thanks. Take care. Bye bye.